Hello, I'm Fred Weber, and Weber Scientific appreciates that you asked for this opportunity to learn more about the Gerber butterfat test. If you are not familiar with the Gerber method, here's a chance for you to observe why this test offers your dairy business or regulatory agency great benefits as a simple, foolproof, rapid, and accurate system for testing the butterfat content of all dairy products. If you have only known the venerated Babcock method, what you are about to see should be quite exciting. Gerber is much easier to run and takes only 10 to 15 minutes to complete, half the 25 to 30 minutes required for Babcock. The Gerber test has been an official method in standard methods for the examination of dairy products since 1960. Recent studies have confirmed Gerber's high degree of accuracy and reproducibility compared to the Majonier ether extraction test. And although the USDA has recently made recommendations to finally bring the accuracy of the Babcock test to compare with the Gerber and Majonier methods, many individuals have found these modifications to be particularly tedious and time-consuming.
The following is a complete demonstration of the Gerber test for milk. As you will see, the procedure is very simple and your equipment needs are minimal. The calibrated stem of the Gerber bottle, also known as a butyrometer, has a measuring zone 65 millimeters long as a minimum and is graduated in tenths of a percent. The bottles for milk are accurate to within half of the smallest graduation and are easily read to the nearest 5/100ths%. Into an 8% Gerber milk bottle, add 10 ml sulfuric acid, nearly half the amount required for the Babcock test. Wide-mouth bottles are easy to fill. There is no sealing of the airspace between the pipette wall and the bottleneck, also no sample loss. The bottle is designed to provide that acid is added in increments. Although the entire charge of acid is added at one time, 1/3 of it is trapped in the small bulb and stem, and it is released only when the bottle is inverted. Pipette 11 ml of the sample. Discharge slowly at first, then allow to drain. After free flow stops, wait 3 seconds, then blow out the last drop. A very special benefit of Gerber is that no special methods are needed for homogenized products. Add 1 ml of isoamyl alcohol. This reagent ensures that all available fat is released during centrifuging. A special property of this specific alcohol, when added to the sulfuric acid milk mixture, decreases the interfacial tension of the fat to permit it to rise completely. Our chemist is using convenient and economical tilt measures to dispense the reagents. Positive displacement dispensers are also available, a real time saver. Firmly insert a specially designed lock stopper into the bottles using a handheld key. Bottles are sealed and leak-proof. They can be shaken rapidly and safely with no spillage or spatter. Shake the bottles. The curd, which first forms, is rapidly solubilized. When performing many samples daily, bottles held in our exclusive quick lock racks may be shaken in a mechanical unit quickly and vigorously. Invert 4 times to permit acid trapped in the terminal bulb and stem to mix with the balance of the contents. When properly standardized acid is used, the contents are colored lavender purple. Too strong acid yields a purple black, while too weak acid tints the mixture a pale lavender. Centrifuge only once for 4 minutes at 1100 RPMs. No need for hot water additions like Babcock. At the end of the shaking, the reaction mixture temperature was 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat loss during the centrifuge operation is negligible, since the bottles and the airspace around them rotate in this type of centrifuge. These units do not require heaters. Temper in a water bath at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Remove bottles. By applying gentle pressure to the lock stopper, bring bottom line of the fat column to coincide with the unit graduation. On an illuminated stand, read the bottom of the upper meniscus on scale to nearest 5/100th%. Subtract bottom percentage line and record. The bottom of the fat column remains a straight line at all times. The shallow upper meniscus elongates very slightly on cooling, instead of greatly as in the Babcock tube. The Gerber test is easy to read. Gerber fat columns are always clear, char-free, and cloudless. The butterfat percentage is read directly without calipers. Gerber is ideal for calibrating electronic infrared analyzers. Again, results will consistently match Mojanier to within 5/100th%, and the test only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to perform from beginning to end. Creams are tested by the same procedure, except that you weigh a 5-gram portion, followed with 5 ml of water. 50, 25, 20, and 15% bottles are available. Results will also match Mojanier precisely.
An additional great benefit of Gerber is its versatility. Many laboratories use Gerber as a guide to accurately determine the fat content of a wide variety of products. With ice cream mix, for example, an experienced technician will consistently match Mojanier within 0.2%. Use of the APHA approved Gerber test has grown dramatically in the past 30 years. Being personally familiar with Gerber is not a requirement to consider it for your laboratory. Just the opposite. We guarantee your satisfaction with this test. And the Gerber method is economical. Often your initial investment is under $1,000. Join the growing list of dairies who know and trust the Gerber fat test for maximum results at a minimum investment. Please call Weber Scientific toll-free at 800-328-8378 if you have any questions at all about the Gerber test. We look forward to being of service.